welcome. In today's video, I'm going to take this old Memo board and give it a fresh new look. So come along with me as I work on this upcycle project. I began by painting the corkboard a white. This allowed me to paint the trim and also the background because my material that I was going to cover was light and I didn't want the pink to show through. Now I'm in the house under the air conditioner. I let the board dry for 24 hours because I didn't want the paint peeling off. The material that I'm using had been folded, so it had some creases in it and it needed ironed. Just a little tidbit that my grandmother shared with me. If your iron is old, like mine is, and it has buildup on the bottom, and you're afraid that by using starch that rust or buildup is going to get on your clothes, flip it over and iron it inside out so it will not ruin your clothes. So that's what I did in this case. I just flipped the material over and ironed it on the back. Now I'm ready to put the material on the board. I just sprayed the board with some adhesive and then spread the material over the board, making sure I got out all the wrinkles. I just went back and trimmed the edges to size. I added a coordinating ribbon around the corners to give it a finishing touch. I just took my hot glue gun out and hot glued the ribbon in place. But to make sure that the ribbon would stay for the long haul, I took some push pins and spaced them out, holding the ribbon. And it's just that easy. Now you have a note board that can match any decor. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has inspired you to do a upcycle project of your own.